Hello, my name is Douglas Weber, and I will be discussing Southwest Airlines' performance as reflected in the stock market and the strategic changes affecting the company's growth. There are three graphs on the right side of this slide. The top graph is the overall performance of the New York Stock Exchange. The middle is Southwest Airlines stock price, and the bottom graph is the price of crude oil. The graphs are aligned in time from 1980 to today for comparison. Southwest Airlines stock ticker symbol LUV, as you can see in the graph in the middle, the stock has done well in the last several years. The airline has differentiated itself from other carriers by exemplary customer service, simplicity, and inelegance in air travel. However, many factors shape the historical stock price. News releases on earnings, profits, and the company's future estimated earnings affect stock prices. When Southwest advertises a new service such as Wi-Fi or an update to their fleet of planes, the stock will react. Securing new routes, for example, this fall 2017, Southwest will add routes to Mexico, the Caribbean, and Milwaukee. This action has solidified Southwest's move into the international market, and the stock price has responded positively. On May 2, 2011, Southwest acquired AirTran, influencing the stock. Southwest stock price will also be influenced by the dollar, passengers deciding whether to travel to either Southwest-supported destinations or abroad where the dollar may be stronger or weaker. Finally, the company's success depends on the price that they pay for jet fuel, whether it is current price or a hedged acquisition. At inception in the 70s, they took a share of the market, as depicted on the graph in the middle. Southwest steadily held its share of the market during the recession recovery in the early 80s due to its cost savings to customers. In the 90s, as crude oil prices were heading downward, investors saw the improvement in Southwest financial numbers. This began a steady increase in the stock price into the high teens. When the collapse of the housing market devastated most stocks, LUV stock had also had a 70% decrease. Southwest recovery was swift due to the future it had purchased in fuel market. The graph at the bottom shows the price of oil. Recently, as the price of crude oil has declined, Southwest stock price has risen dramatically. Southwest trades on the New York Stock Exchange. A 50-year history of its performance is in the graph on the top. When dot-com sent the market skyrocketing, it is easy to see that LUV rode this overall momentum. Fortunately, when the rest of the market crashed, LUV continued to hold its price. The graph of Southwest stock price has steady gains for 46 years and has been an excellent long-term investment. Southwest is one of the most profitable airlines in the world. It is this kind of consistency that helps the company maintain its stock price, even when the airline has been unsuccessful at hedging oil fuel. Adam Levine Weinberg states that rising non-fuel costs at this time are the biggest impediment to profit growth at Southwest. This is due in part to the company's handing out big raises to several employee groups in the late 2016, the article states. The outlook for Southwest is good. The current bout of cost pressures will end abruptly later this year, comments Weinberg. The analysts foresee strong unit cost performance and return to profit growth in late 2017 and 2018. The experts believe there is opportunity for short-term growth potential, and the company has solid long-term profit growth prospects. The web article, What Has AirTran Done for Southwest Airlines on December 11, 2014 in Forbes.com states AirTran has accelerated Southwest's move into the international markets. The growing markets in Central and South America were opened in Southwest due to the acquisition. The author also states that AirTran has made Southwest the largest domestic airline based on number of passengers flown. Prior to the AirTran acquisition in 2011, profits were $178 million. After acquisition, they were $421 million in 2012, $754 million in 2013, and Southwest Airlines website reported record profits of $2.24 billion in 2016. Finally, this Forbes article states AirTran has expedited Southwest's expansion into the continental United States and also positioned the airline well for long-term growth in international markets. Southwest's 2016 One Report released May 17, 2017 calls for continued commitment to the triple bottom line of performance, people, and planet. Regarding performance, the company recorded a net income of $2.24 billion. The people/employees earned $586 million in profit sharing in 2016 and maintain a high presence volunteering, while the company donated $25 million in airline tickets. Southwest continues to its position of sustainability by investing heavily in fuel efficiency, $565 million since 2002. Advancing their planet concerns, they gave 5,000 surplus life vests to nonprofits to assist fishermen in Uganda in keeping the waste out of landfills, states the one report. When investors such as Warren Buffett added airline carriers to their portfolios, it sends a strong signal that investors are expecting good things for the future of stocks such as Southwest. From the investor's perspective, with strong leadership, effective strategy, innovations, and competitive advantage, Southwest continues to be a highly profitable airline. Coupled with clever and effective fuel procurement techniques, these position Southwest as a solid investment. Thank you.